Hi, I'm Dr. Merrill Wise with Mid-South Pulmonary and Sleep Specialists in Memphis, Tennessee. Today I'd like to talk about a very common sleep issue, breathing problems during sleep. When a person snores loudly during sleep, this is caused by the vibration that happens when there's resistance to airflow. The person may have what is called primary snoring, in which the person snores but there's no obvious impact on sleep quality or ventilation. However, many people who snore loudly may have a potentially dangerous sleep disorder called obstructive sleep apnea syndrome. With this disorder, the person experiences recurrent, partial, or complete airway obstruction, and the person has obstruction over and over again throughout the night. When the person has severe obstructive sleep apnea, the bed partner may report hearing actual pauses in breathing followed by a gasping sound with the next big breath. The person may even awaken from sleep suddenly and feel short of breath. Many people with obstructive sleep apnea will report not feeling well rested in the morning and excessive sleepiness across the day. They may take naps or fall asleep while working or even driving. Untreated obstructive sleep apnea can lead to stress and strain on the person's heart, and this may elevate the person's risk for heart disease, including heart attacks, heart failure, stroke, and arrhythmias. Many patients with obstructive sleep apnea have or will develop high blood pressure. Obstructive sleep apnea can be mild, moderate, or severe, depending on how often the person obstructs his or her airway and how low the oxygen levels drop. The treatment options for obstructive sleep apnea may vary with the level of severity. The main thing for patients to know is that there are a wide range of treatment options available for obstructive sleep apnea. If you are concerned about your or a loved one's breathing during sleep, the first step is an evaluation. This involves seeing a sleep specialist in clinic and then having a sleep study performed. The sleep study is non-invasive with no needles and no pain. As a sleep medicine specialist, I want everyone to breathe easy and sleep well.